All right, it is day 4 of our Heggerty, so I need your help, okay? I want you to tell me the word that doesn't rhyme. Which word should we kick out? Ready? Stiff, stay, sniff. Stiff, stay, sniff. Which one should not be there? Stay. Good. Stay does not rhyme. All right. Step, scone, stone. Step, scone, stone. Good. Step does not rhyme. Ready? Snip, skip, smooth. Snip, skip, smooth. Good. Smooth does not have the ip rhyme. Ready? Scare, sting, swing. Stare, scare, sting, swing. Good. Scare should not be there. Ready? Last one. Spur, stir, speed. Spur, stir, speed. Good. Speed should not be there. Okay? I want you to tell me the beginning blend for these two words. Ready? Glamorous, glitter. Glamorous, glitter. Good. Gl. Ready? Tell me if they have the same beginning sound. Do glamorous and glitter have the same beginning sound? Yes, they do. Gl. Good. All right, what about stallion, sparrow? Stallion, sparrow. No, they're different. Ready? Spotless, special. Spotless, special. Good, they have the same sp. Ready? Glossary, glacier. Glossary, glacier. Good, they have the same gl sound. Last one. Clothing, placement. Clothing, placement. No, they have different beginning sounds. All right, ready? Let's chop the sounds and make the word. Ready? S-k-I-n, skin. S-l-o, slow. S-m-e-l, smell. S-n-a-k, snakes. S-p-a-s, space. St-ak, stack. S-w-e-t, sweeter. Sk-a-nk, skunk. Next one, ready? S-w-i-m, swim. Last one. Sk-ip, skip. All right. Tell me what middle sound these three words have. Okay, what sound do they have in common? Ready? Plant, flash, glad. Plant, flash, glad. They all have our short A. Ready? Swift, spill, twist. Swift, spill, twist. Good, they all have our short I. Next one, stale, flame, blaze. Stale, flame, blaze. Good, they all have our long A that says A. Next one, sled, stem, sweat. Sled, stem, sweat. Good, they all have short E that says eh. Next one, ready? Clean, steep, speak. Clean, steep, speak. Good, they all have our long E that says E. Ready? Flute, truth, bloom. Flute, truth, bloom. Good, they all have ooh. Last one, slide, flight, smile. Slide, flight, smile. Good, they all have our long I. All right, this time I want to say the word and we're going to chop it up. Ready? Scab. S-k-a-b. Scab. Slap. S-l-a-p. Slap. Smile. S-m-I-l. Smile. Snow. S-n-o. Snow. Speak. S-p-e speak. States. St-a-t. States. Swan. S-w-a-n. Swan. Stable. St-a-ble. B-l. Let's do that one more time. Stable. St-a-b-l. Stable. Next one. Speller. S-p-e-l-r. Speller. Last one. S-w-i-m-r. Swimmer. Alright? Say cater. Say cater, but add s to the beginning. Skater. Say lied. Add s. Slide. Say moke. Add s. Smoke. Say nake. Add s. Snake. Say pine. Add s. Spine. Say tamp. Add s. Stamp. Say wish. Add s. Swish. Alright? Say ski. Say ski, but don't say s. Key. Say slip. Say slip, but don't say s. Lip. Say smoky. Say smoky, but don't say s. Mokey. Say stapler. Say stapler, but don't say s. Tapler. Say sponge. Say sponge, but don't say s. Punge. Say stickers. Say stickers, but don't say s. Tickers. Say sweep. Say sweep, but don't say s. Weep. Say smack. Say smack, but don't say s. Mac. Say snail. Say snail, but don't say s. Nail. Last one. Say spell. Say spell, but don't say s. Pell. Alright, now we're going to change the beginning sound. Say cheat. Change ch to stir. Street. Say crate. Change cur to sk. Skate. Say phone. Change f to st. Stone. Say trap. Change tur to sl. Slap. Say week. Change w to sp. Speak. Say land. Change ul to st. Stand. Say slept. Change sul to sw. Swept. Say flush. Change full to sl. Slush. Say drill. Change dur to sk. Skill. Last one. Say smell. Change sm to sp. Spell. Great job.